Hi, I'm Eileen Handmade. I'm a craft artist and maker, and today I'm going to show you techniques for making paper petals. For this, I'm going to use the white medium crepe paper that I have here. All right. So I have a strip. What I'm going to do is, first of all, cut a very, very fine strip of crepe paper. I want it very fine because I'm going to make daisy petals, which are generally quite small and delicate looking. So first of all, I'm going to take the scissors and just cut a very, very thin strip, as you can see. Maybe it's like a centimetre wide, maybe a little bit more, but very, very thin. So you have this long strip here, and I want to make a long rectangle shape because the petals of the daisy are quite long. So I think approximately here, maybe like 3-4 centimeters long. Okay, so I'm just going to cut one off like so. The first thing we're going to do is fold it in half. Okay, and then I'll pinch it right in the middle, and again I'm going to cut a very simple daisy shape like so, and leaving a tail. So I'm just going to start from the top. I'm going to make it a little bit roundish like so, and just take it down to about here. So we have like a kind of petal shape, and I'm just going to snip a little tail. It doesn't have to be very long because that we're going to stick, right? Here we have a little petal shape. Now, when you open it up, it should be more or less this kind of shape and size. If you want it longer, you can always make it longer. If you want it shorter, then do so. Feel free. To give it a bit of shape, all I'm going to do is hold it by its tail, and I'm going to use my finger and my thumb on the other hand and just pinch it and gently curl it over my finger. If I want it to be a little bit more curved, then I'm just going to do it again to give a gentle curved shape. And here we have a very simple daisy-shaped petal. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to this channel. If you want to know more about me and my process, please check out my online course on Domestika.